Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 28 of our 30 Days of Yoga series. And today we will be focusing on back bends, more importantly, bridge pose. So the only prop you will need today is your mat. So grab that and we will get started. So we're going to start seated. Sit tall in the spine, lift the shoulders up and back. We'll start with our 3 deep breaths. So when you're ready, let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. And then we're going to remain seated here. We're going to come into a little bit of seated cat and cow. So on the inhale, you're going to bring your chest forward, arch the back, and then bring the head back. Coming into cow pose. And exhale as you curl the back, bringing the head towards the chest. Cat pose. We'll do that 3 more times. So inhale, coming back forward. And exhale, curling the back. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then coming back to a seated position, we're going to transition onto our backs. So once you come down, you're going to have the knees bent and the feet on the mat. Hands can be down by your side. And then just walk the feet back towards your hips. We're going to come into a couple of bridge poses. So we're going to take an inhale here. On the exhale, you're going to lift the hips off of the mat. And then if you want, you can wiggle the shoulders underneath. That's going to lift the chest a little more. Press down through your feet to keep yourself lifted. And the hands can be down by your side. If you want to grasp them underneath your back, you can do that as well. Or just grab both sides of the mat and take a full breath. And then lift the heels off of the mat, untuck the shoulders, and then roll down slowly through the spine, and then dropping the heels. You can reset here before we move into our second bridge pose. So just making sure that you're lying flat on the back, walking the feet back if you shifted a little. And then inhale here. Exhale as you lift. We're taking 2 full breaths here. And then lifting the heels off the mat, untuck the shoulders. And then roll down towards the mat and dropping the heels and just resetting. And then we'll do one more bridge pose, one regular bridge pose. So again, walking the feet back if you shifted a little. And then take an inhale. On the exhale, lift the hips off the mat. You may tuck the shoulders underneath. And then 2 full breaths here. And then lift the heels, untuck your shoulders, and then roll down through the spine. And placing the heels back down to the mat. So just readjusting or resetting. This time we're going to add the arms in it. Our breathing is going to be a little bit different in this bridge pose flow. So when we inhale, you're going to lift the hips up off the mat as well as lifting the arms. And then when you exhale, you'll bring everything back down to the mat. So we're going to do that 4 times. So let's take a deep breath before we go into this flow. Inhale. And exhale. And then when you're ready, inhale as you lift the hips. Inhale as you bring the arms above your head. And exhale as you bring the arms down and bring the hips down. We got 3 more times. So inhale as you lift the hips and the arms. And exhale as you calm down. Reset. Inhale as you lift the hips, lift the arms. Exhale as you come down to the mat. And then one more time. Inhale, lifting the arms, lifting the hips. And exhale as you come down. And then just bring the knees into the chest. Rock from side to side. And then we're going to change the direction of our rocks. We're going to go back and forth. So you may use your legs as momentum. Do it about 3 times. And the 3rd time you'll come back up to sit. Sitting tall in the spine. Regrounding the hips into the mat. And then lifting the shoulders up and back. Coming back to our seated position, we're going to go back through our seated cat and cow. So on the inhale, pull the chest forward, arching the back, lifting the head back. And exhale as you curl, chin to chest. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then coming back up to a seated position, lifting the shoulders up and back, sitting tall in the spine. We'll end with our 3 deep breaths. So let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Bring the palms together in front of your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you guys in my next video. Namaste.